it's me, Hazel the scientist. Today I made an experiment about how solid turns into a liquid and how ice melts. I hope you enjoy.
Hazel's solid to liquid experiment. What melts ice the fastest? In this experiment, we put different substances on ice to see which will melt ice the fastest. The ice will change states of matter from a solid to a liquid during this test. There are 5 steps in this experiment. Step 1. Gather materials. For this experiment, we need 5 ice cubes, 3 tablespoons of salt, sugar, baking soda, and chili pepper flakes, and a muffin tin. Step 2. Place 5 ice cubes into the muffin tin cups. Step 3. Pour experimental substances onto 4 of the ice cubes. Leave 1 ice cube with no substances added. Step 4. Observe and measure the length of time each ice cube takes to melt. Step 5. Write down the times and compare to the hypothesis. I have 4 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1. Salt will cause the ice to melt in the shortest amount of time. Hypothesis 2. Chili flakes will cause the ice to melt in the second shortest amount of time. Hypothesis number 3. Baking soda will cause the ice to melt in the third shortest amount of time. Hypothesis 4. Sugar will not melt the ice faster than ice by itself. Why did I choose these hypotheses? I predicted that the salt would melt the ice fastest, because it is powerful against witches, like in Hocus Pocus 2, like an ice witch would melt. I predicted that chili flakes would be the second fastest because they make your mouth burn, so the ice will burn too. Baking soda will work because it will make the ice cubes bigger, like when I bake. The ice will crack and melt. Sugar won't work because it's sweet. What did I observe? At first, the sugar in plain ice looks like it will melt the fastest. The salt suddenly takes off and melts first at 36 minutes and 15 seconds. The chili flakes, baking soda, and sugar took much longer than the salt. The plain ice melts second at 1 hour and 8 minutes. Baking soda melted ice at 1 hour and 10 minutes. The chili and the sugar have a race to make.
Chill for chili, everyone! Chili, 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 chili.
The chili flakes won. They melted their ice at 1 hour and 20 minutes. The sugar came in from behind. It melted its ice in 1 hour and 21 minutes. What did I learn? Hypothesis 1 is supported. The salt melted the ice first. The salt didn't melt the ice first because it's powerful against witches. It melted the ice first because it made it harder for the water to stay frozen. This is called lowering the freezing point. hypothesis 2, partially supported. The chili flakes can help melt the ice because they really do give off heat through a process called thermogenesis. In our experiment, the chili flakes just barely beat the sugar, but they did. Hypothesis 3, partially supported. The baking soda made the ice melt faster than the chili flakes and the sugar. It did not make the ice melt faster than the plain ice. The experiment website says that baking soda should melt ice faster than the ice with nothing on it, but it didn't here. It was very close to melting at the same time. This could be because of the different sizes of our cubes, even though we did try to make them the same size. Hypothesis 4, not supported. We found this on research. The experiment website says that sugar should have melted the ice before the plain ice melted, but both times we repeated the experiment, somehow our plain ice melted first. This could also be because of the different sizes of our cubes. There you have it, folks. Salt melts ice the fastest. Salt success!
Hope you enjoyed learning about states of matter. See you next time. Ah!